Hello guys, welcome back to my Python YouTube channel, and in this video we will be learning some animation using Python Turtle library. So let's do it. So first we need to import some libraries. So import libraries. So we will import turtle, import turtle, and then import numpy as np. Now our job is to create a turtle. So for that, give a variable called object equal to turtle dot turtle and function. Now you want to give the a speed with which you want to move the turtle. So you can define object dot speed equal to say 0. Now you want to define that if it is moving, then what should the width of the line. So object dot width say 5. Now you can also give a shape, object dot shape. You can give it as a say a star. See what things it takes. So we'll give it a turtle. You can also give is a star, and you can also give a star. You can also give arrow, turtle. Okay, so now you want to define colors. Say colors equal to give it in form of array. You can say it is red, then black, you can give color as yellow, then orange, then you can give green, then you can give cyan. So we have 6 colors. So now what we will do, we'll try to move turtle in a loop. So for that, define x equal to np dot random dot rand int, and let's say that it goes randomly, and we need to import random module. Import random. Now define for loop. So for I in range say 0, say length of x, simply length of x. And now after giving a tab from previous line, you can now ready to move your object. So you can give like object dot pin color for every loop, pin color, and give as let's say colors and I percentage 6, so that it can begin if it ended on that color. So now you want to move object forward. So object dot forward by how much pixel? Say it will move by 10. Now we want to rotate object by say uh, with some angle. So object dot right. So it will move by say 30 degree. Now you want to object to create a circle while moving. So object dot circle and give radius say I by 2. So this way we can create a simple uh, Python animation using turtle. Now our job is to run it. Now run this portion. So now it is creating the Python animation. So basically we have given the object as a different color for the loop, and we have moved the object uh, forward by 10 pixel, and then we have rotated object by 30 degree, and then we have given command to plot a circle of radius uh, I by 2. See how beautiful animation it is creating with very few lines of code. So basically it is interesting to see that what a nice art it is creating. So I hope this way you can create your own Python animation, and this is quite beautiful. Okay, so this will like go up to 10,000 in that loop. So let's go back, and this is the code. You can also, I think you don't need to that random int. You can just put your line of space up to 1000 and it will do the same work. So thank you. I hope you are able to do with your own. So thank you.